Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video I will walk you through the Juniper Cloud Associate Syllabus so you know exactly what to study and why each topic matters. This certification covers foundational cloud concepts through practical platform skills across 7 domains. The domains and their weights are: Cloud Architectures 18%, Cloud Technologies 16%, Juniper Networks Cloud Solutions 16%, Introduction to Contrail Networking 14%, Kubernetes Networking 14%, Cloud Security 12%, and Cloud Monitoring 10%. Expect a mix of conceptual questions, scenario-based items, and hands-on tasks depending on the domain. Cloud Architectures is weighted at 18% and is classified as easy with about 8 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will learn cloud deployment models including public, private, hybrid, multi-cloud and community cloud characteristics and benefits. The domain also covers cloud service models, so you will study IaaS components, PaaS capabilities, SaaS delivery, shared responsibility models, and cloud-native architecture principles. Cloud Technologies accounts for 16%, is medium difficulty, and estimates 10 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches the core technologies that enable cloud services such as software-defined networking fundamentals and network functions virtualization. You will learn SDN controller functions, separation of control plane and data plane, northbound and southbound APIs, overlay and underlay networking, and NFV concepts like mono, VNFs, NFVI, service chaining and orchestration. Juniper Networks Cloud Solutions is 16%, medium difficulty, and recommends about 12 hours of study with scenario-based assessment. Focus here is on Juniper-specific virtual network functions and SDN controller solutions in real cloud environments. You will explore VMX virtual router capabilities, VSRX virtual firewall features, CSRX containerized firewall options, the NFX network services platform, and Juniper management interfaces along with Contrail, Northstar, AppFormix, and cloud-native Contrail networking integration patterns with OpenStack and VMware. Introduction to Contrail networking is 14%, a harder domain with around 15 hours of study and a mix of hands-on and conceptual assessment. This section digs into the Contrail architecture and its components so you understand configuration nodes, control nodes and BGP peering, analytics nodes for data collection, the vRouter agent and forwarding plane, and basic UI and CLI navigation. You will also learn Contrail virtualization concepts such as virtual networks and VRF instances, floating IPs and NAT behavior, security groups and network policies, and service chaining workflows. Kubernetes networking also carries 14% weight, is hard, and estimates about 14 hours with hands-on plus conceptual assessment. This domain covers cluster networking fundamentals including Kubernetes cluster architecture, pod-to-pod communication, service types like cluster IP, node port and load balancer, ingress controllers, and CNI plugin concepts. The Contrail integration portion teaches Kuba Manager functionality, namespace isolation with Contrail, network policy enforcement in Kubernetes, Contrail CNI plugin configuration, and monitoring of container traffic. Cloud security is 12%, medium difficulty, and suggests 10 hours of study with scenario-based assessment. You will focus on implementing security frameworks in cloud environments including software-defined secure networks and microsegmentation to isolate workloads. The domain also covers security automation and orchestration, zero trust architecture principles, and virtual firewall policy management for cloud deployments. Cloud monitoring is 10%, medium difficulty, and estimates 8 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches observability practices using Contrail analytics, streaming telemetry collection, infrastructure health monitoring, and AppFormix for resource optimization. You will also study alarms, threshold configuration, and how analytics data supports troubleshooting and capacity planning. To wrap up, plan roughly 77 hours to cover all domains and practice both scenario-based and hands-on tasks where required. Study the weighted topics in order and practice with lab exercises for Contrail and Kubernetes to build confidence before the exam.